Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you and your loved ones are safe, healthy, and doing well during this time. And if you are new here, my name is Emily and I love to make videos about fashion, jewelry, lifestyle, and anything magical. In today's video, I am really excited to be sharing with you the new collection from Ogerbeads. This is the Winter 2020 collection, and it is called Winter's Wishes. Now, I do have a blog post showing some stock images from the collection and a little bit more information and details. So if you would like to see that video, I'll leave a link down below in the description bar of this video. I would also like to thank Ogerbeads for sending me these beads to review and style with, and also a huge thank you to each and every one of you, as I do not get these opportunities without you guys. So thank you so much. The Winter's Wishes collection features 13 new Murano glass beads as well as 2 sterling silver charms. So actually I have some over here on this rod right here, and then I'm also, if you can kind of see it, I am wearing my Ogerbeads bangle bracelet with their peacock stoppers, and then a couple of new of the glass beads, and one of the silver charms are right here. And I have to say, I'm just loving how they look. They're very magical and enchanting. This whole collection it definitely feels like a winter collection, and I'm really loving the little golden accents, the purples, the pinks, and there's a ton of sparkle. Some of the new Pixie Dust ones, which are my personal favorites from Ogerbeads, are, oh my goodness, they're so pretty. So I'm really excited to share this collection with you. So if you are ready, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or hot cocoa, and let's get started in today's video. The first 2 charms I'm going to share with you are sterling silver, and the first one is called Togetherness. Joy and peace in Christmas, I believe. And this is what Ogerbeads has to say about it. The bead is made of words: joy, peace, Christmas, believe. Christmas is that moment of the year where we all agree to peace. We come together as one and allow joy to become the feeling that makes us believe in a better future. So this is really beautiful. It's a very classic charm that can go with a variety of different Christmas designs, but I also think you could technically get away with wearing it year-round too, because it's very classic in that sterling silver detail. The next charm I have to share with you from Ogerbeads is called Fortune. At this moment in time, we, the human race, can use some good luck and fortune. This charm reminds us that good luck and fortune can be found in the little things in life that matter the most: good health and family and friends that support each other. Wear this charm not only to attract good luck and fortune, but even more to remind yourself of the things you already have. I love that this charm has the sweet little star cutout details on the side, as well as the part that says good luck on either side. I think it looks really cool. Up next, I'm going to share with you the different glass Murano beads from Ogerbeads. So I'm going to start off with these more floral printed designs because they are so detailed. They have some really cool texture to them, and I love the little bits of sparkle. Now, some of these that I chose to wear are my favorites, but first off, I'm going to share with you Snow Dust Flowers. This features some beautiful white, gold detailing to it, and the core detail is so cool because the petals kind of drape down over the sides, and it is just so exquisite. I think it would be a beautiful centerpiece to a bracelet, but I actually styled it kind of framing one of the silver charms in. I just think it's beautiful. One bead that actually matches really beautifully with it is Luxury. So they're kind of like sisters. They kind of pair very closely together. Luxury, again, has this beautiful kind of golden hue to it, little bits of white, and then almost like a little pale blue that's kind of going through it, which is so pretty. And I really love the little bits of sparkle to it. And again, the petal details kind of curve down to the sides, which it looks so pretty, and it just adds a really nice amount of texture and detail to this bead. I especially love Muranos that do have texture detail to them and just kind of more dimension to them. I think they're so cool and so unique looking. Now, this next bead that you're seeing is called Pureness, and it has the pale blue again. We have a little bit of the white and the gold, and it's almost like, depending on the lighting that you look at, it almost looks kind of like a rosy gold color, kind of like a rusty rose, and it's so pretty. Now, moving along, we have a Midnight Dream, and this reminds me, as along with another bead, of the spring summer collection, but now we're seeing it done in more of a winter version. So it has these little droplets on each of the centers of the flowers, the beautiful petaled leaves, and then it looks like a galaxy in the core of the glass, which I think is so magical and so beautiful. Now this also has a sister version of it, and it's called Blueberry Dream, and it has very similar core detail, but you see more of these lighter, softer blue notes going through the flowers and the little dots going through it. It looks really pretty too. And I really love, like, again, the kind of galaxy detailing in the center of it. It's really nice. And then I wanted to kind of show you another little angle and more of a natural light. So there you go. So that is Blueberry Dream. Now moving on, we're going to share with you some of the CZs and kind of bubble like a detailed glass beads. These are really cool. They definitely kind of have like a galaxy vibe to me as well. The first one I'm going to share with you is called Galactic. So very galaxy vibes, of course. And you can just see the little bits of sparkle. There's cubic zirconia, and there's this lovely bubbled effect going through it as well. So a lot of texture and a lot of detail. The next bead I want to share with you is called Beyond the Stars, and it is similar to Galactic in that they both have the beautiful detail of cubic zirconia, bubble-like details, and the little bits of sparkle, but the colors are different. Galactic is more of a midnight blue, and Beyond the Stars is more of a royal blue. Next up, we have Violet Sparkles, and this one is one of my favorites. It just, oh my gosh, there's so many different colors in it. You have midnight blue, you have purple, you have kind of gold, a little bit of yellow, and then you have all these little bubble-like details, little bits of sparkle. It's just so pretty. I'm actually debating about getting a second one of these because it's stunning. Moving along, we have my favorite category of Ogerbeads Murano glass beads. They are called Pixie Dust, and there's 3 different ones I have to share with you, and I can't even tell you which one is my favorite. I love them all. All 3 are so magical. They're so sparkly, and there's just so much dimension and beautiful colors to them. So the first one you're seeing here on the screen is called Dawn. It has beautiful mixtures of pink and purple colors with the little touches of gold. And the dimension to this is so beautiful. It almost reminds me of like tiger stripes or little petals falling. I don't even know how to explain it. It's just so much beautiful texture and like pattern to it. It's just very magical. And if you love pink or if you love purple, I think this bead is a must. Dark purple feather is enchanting. There's so many magical details to it. I love the ivory feather, and I love how there's like little swirl kind of details to this with the gold and glitter. You see little bits of blue, purple, and red. There's a ton of magic packed into this, and the texture to it is just incredible. I think this is a must too. I'm so in love with this. I just think it's so beautiful, and Ogerbeads did just such an enchanting job on it. The last Pixie Dust bead I have to share with you is one of my favorites too. It's called Fairy Tale Forest, and of course, just with the name alone, I'm already in love with it. Now this is just, it's just so vibrant, it's so colorful, and it's such a cheerful bead to look at because of the different colors. So you have pink, green, blue, there's tiny little bits of ivory. You have, of course, the gold and little pixie dust going through it, and it's just so magical. The last 2 beads I have to share with you are the Moonlight Murano glass beads, and these are called Blue Ricotta and Lipstick. And one is more of a red, which is lipstick, and then the other one is more of a blue, which is called Blue Ricotta. And they go in the dark, so I wanted to film these semi in the dark so you could kind of see how the core kind of glows, kind of a greenish yellow color. I really love the Moonlight beads, and I actually have used them with some Harry Potter designs. Anyway, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a look at the new collection from Ogerbeads Winter's Wishes. I'd also love to know if you have any favorites from this collection. If so, please let me know down below. Now, as of it being Christmas season, holiday season, there's some wonderful different promotions and sales going on. Ogerbeads actually has a couple different things going on. So if you would like to know more about the kind of the different promotions and sales they have going on, I will have links down below and some more information in the description bar of this video. You can also head over to my blog. I also list a couple of different things going on too, or just head over to Ogerbeads' website for more information. Anyway, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful week ahead, a magical, safe, and healthy Christmas and holiday season, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now and take care.